You are, is it Inyahi Chukukiri?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Sir,
Good morning, sir.
we brought you out. Your lawyer's asking me to set you a bond. I don't know, though. I don't know much about you. I mean, I don't know anything about you. All I know is that you're wanted here from another state. You were arrested here in Houston. So we have to figure out everything about you in the short little time that we have. So bear with us while we get to know you real quick, and then we'll see whether that we should give you a bond or not. Okay, tell us about it.
Judge, he's one out of Florida for battery by strangulation. The jurisdiction there, and he doesn't show any other history except for some traffic infractions. They requested that we hold him no bond in our jurisdiction, but he is eligible for bond in their jurisdiction only upon return for 25,000 or 25,000.
What's your position?
State's not opposed to a bond, but I am opposed to a low bond. It looks like he has had this warrant since July, but it's not an FTA bond. But the fact that it's been out so long and that he might have some indication that this warrant was coming, the strangulation of a partner, and it's a domestic. And so the state's requesting $10,000 to commit sufficient bail for him to return.
Judge, defendant resides here in Harris County. He's domiciled here in Harris County. He's an engineer by profession. I know him very well, and he's a U.S. citizen. He's not going to pay a flight risk. He relocated, and he works here. He lives in Katy. He has a house and everything. So this came as a surprise to him. As a matter of fact, he's not even seeing you because I have his glasses in my pocket. He's not comprehending what is happening. No? He can see.
Can he have his glasses or no?
Because when they took him, he fell off, so nobody knew. He can see. He's just gaping. But I know him very well. So,
Your Honor, they can get their glasses. They have to see the optometrist. They have to see the eye doctor there at the jail. They can do that if they already have a pair.
So we can't give him.
No,
so
he cannot
he
give
can't read. So that's where we are. I told them that. So he had an issue with his ex, and he had working.
You know, I got to tell you, Mr. Noli, that lately, Mr. Kim here hasn't agreed to many bonds at all, quite frankly. He's okay with a $10,000 bond now. What's your position on that?
Well, 10,000 is not so much, but if we can make it 5,000, that would be more reasonable to me.
Well, 5,000 is normally what we do on a felony case here. And the other thing is that this is a fugitive case. So it makes it a lot more.
Judge, your discretion is fine with me.
Here's the thing. You have to understand that you are an inherent flight risk because it is a fugitive case. So the usual and customary 10 to 20% will not apply to you. When you have a fugitive case and we set a bond, typically bonding companies will want a significant portion of that bond, if not all. So if we set you a bond now, you'll probably have to put a good amount of that, if not all of it, toward the bond for you to be released. Has he waived already?
Yes, he waived.
So the thing is this, is that you've waived. What we do is we give Florida 2 weeks to come get you. If they don't come get you within that time, Harris County releases you. If you want me to set the bond, you have to withdraw your waiver and you lose that time that you've accrued now, which is now what, 2 to 3 days
That's what
for them to come get you.
that's what we want. We're going to withdraw it.
Sorry?
He's going to withdraw
I
his
mean,
waiver.
what I'm saying is I'm going to set your bond at $7,500.
That's
Okay.
fine.
If you want to make it, you'll probably have to put all that money up.
I will pay it today. I will pay for him.
Oh, okay. It's up to you guys, but understand that you will withdraw your waiver. You'll lose that time versus using that money to hire a lawyer in Florida. I don't know what kind of money you have, but just that's one of the considerations you need to make. If you want, we'll set the bond for you. It'll be $7,500. The idea is that once you post that bond, we give you 2 weeks to go turn yourself into the demanding jurisdiction, into Florida, specifically where?
Orange County, I believe.
That's what
We give you 2 weeks to go turn yourself into Orange County. You know that actions have consequences. And if you fail to go turn yourself in, or if you fail to go post bond in that jurisdiction, I'm going to revoke this bond. Now we'll set it to 0. I will not give you another one. This is the only opportunity you will have here to go do what you need to do. You won't get another one. Do you understand? Okay. I don't need you to make the decision right now in front of us. You guys talk if you still want to do it. I'll set the bond.
I understand. I'm doing it.
You want to still want to do it?
Yes.
Okay,
So,
so
like,
set the bond at 7,500.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Norton.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
That's right. That's all. So,
Yes.
Okay,
Mr. Bossi was asked to get a job by this court. He's doing everything possible. He showed me pictures. He's applied to like 60 places. Nobody's getting back to him.
come up, Mr. Bassi. Is he here?